Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to build a passive income empire from the comfort of your home? Then you need to check out this incredible opportunity. Have you ever wondered how channels like Natural Cures, with 3 million subscribers, or Healthpedia, with countless viral videos, rake in millions of views and dollars? The secret? They've cracked the code to the Faceless YouTube goldmine. These channels aren't showing their faces. They're leveraging the power of compelling content and strategic monetization. They're talking about topics like the incredible health benefits of garlic or the amazing hacks of apple cider vinegar, topics that people are obsessed with. And guess what? With countless health products and supplements on the market, there's a goldmine of affiliate opportunities just waiting to be tapped. Imagine earning passive income while you sleep, simply by creating engaging content around proven, profitable topics. That's exactly what you can learn inside Matt Parr's YouTube Mastery course. Matt has built a multi-million-dollar empire with his Faceless YouTube channels. And now, he's sharing his secrets with you. Learn how to identify high-profit niches, create engaging content without showing your face, master YouTube SEO to rank your videos, build a loyal audience and superfans, monetize your channel with multiple income streams. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Click the link in the description below to join Matt's course and start building your own Faceless YouTube empire today. Your financial freedom starts here. Take the leap and join the YouTube Mastery movement. Thank you for watching.